Hi guys, welcome to Get of the Life TV. So I want to tell you that our books are still in stock. We have many of them here and some are in our other store. So I want to remind you of this very one, the Holy Book of Ifa Adimula. The Holy Book of Ifa Adimula is still very much available for you. So we now have an online store at www.gettheLifeTV.com. So when you get to that link, you are going to see all our available Isese books. If most especially Ifa books. So this very one is a popular Ifa book with 256 Odu Ifa. So we have them in stock. So this one is in English, fully in English language. So we are still expecting the Yoruba version, the full Yoruba version, to be released anywhere from now. So these are the ones that we have right now. So this is in English, the Holy Book of Ifa Adimula. So we are expecting Wemimo Ifa Adimula. Wemimo Ifa Ẹ̀sìn Àkọ́dá Olódùmarè. That's the correct name. So we are expecting that to come out anywhere from now. So you can place your order on our store. So if you are in Nigeria, this book will get to you within 2 business days. So if you're outside Nigeria, it will get to you within 5 business days. So this is Iwemimo. So this is the Holy Book of Ifa Adimula. So the popular Holy Book of Ifa Adimula. Then we have Ifa, a complete divination. Ifa, a complete divination. This is in Yoruba and English. So we have the Yoruba at the right, at the left hand side, English. At the right hand side, this is the English side, and then this is the Yoruba side. So English at the right hand side, the Yoruba at the left hand side. So this one has 256 as well. 256 Odu Ifa by Ayo Salami. So this is Ifa, a complete divination. So this very Odu Ifa book is good for you as well. So if you are interested, you check the description section to get straight to the link to our website where you can place your order. So this is Ifa complete divination. Then we have Ojulowo Oriki Ifa. So this Ojulowo Oriki Ifa is purely Yoruba. This is purely in Yoruba language. So Ojulowo Oriki Ifa is purely in Yoruba language, and it has at least 10 verses each. 10 verses each. Then we have the major 16 Odu Ifa in there. So they are written in Yoruba. So it's a very old book. It was published in the year 1989. 1989 by the Araba Eko. Araba Awo Oloye Efashina Agbola Araba Eko, the Araba of Lagos of then. So the then Lagos. So we have this one as well, Okonoko. Okonoko. This is by Araba Ifalere Odegbemi. So this is the author of Iwemimo Ifa Ẹ̀sìn Àkọ́dá Olódùmarè. So he is as well the author of this one. So this book is in English and Yoruba. So I think the Yoruba is in the first page, while the last pages are English for this one, Okonoko. So the Okonoko talks about some contradictions, some misconception in Isese. Some misconception like let me just go to the English version. Let me go to the English version. Like not the same. This is the English side of this book. So by Araba Ifalere Odeyemi Agbola, the Araba of Ibadan land. So this is all about the misconception in Isese. So clarity of expression. Then this book is good. It's good for those of you who want to understand Isese very well. So table of course, Eshu and Satan. So the clarification on Eshu and Satan, Ella and Jesus, Ifa and Shetiu. This Baba actually explained the difference between uh, the two of the what we have here, Eshu and Satan, Ella and Jesus, Ifa and Setiu, Shango, servant of Olodumare, and Alaafin Shango of Oyo, Oduduwa and Lamurudu. Ashe and Amen. So when you say Ashe or when you say Amen, so Baba explains the difference between these two words. So Ifa priest, that is Babalawo and herbalist. Ikin Ifa and Ekuro. Then Igi Agbon. So you see many clarification in this book. So this book is called Okonoko, that is not the same. So then we have the Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Obì ń sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Obì ń sọ is still here. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Obì ń sọ this is in Yoruba. Then Ojúlówó Ẹyọ Ẹ̀rìndínlógún. So there's many of them that we have. We have Ifá Ohun Ìjìnlẹ̀ Ayé. So we have Ifá Ohun Ẹnu Olódùmarè. We have Ifá Ohun Ẹnu Olódùmarè. So we have so many of them here. We have Olibifa. We have Olibifa. We have the 256 divine invocation. So many of them that we cannot mention here, but in the description section, I'm going to put the link of the collection of all the books that we have. I'm going to put the link in the description section for you to place your order. So guys, please place your order, patronize me, patronize us here. This is Get Real Life TV. We appreciate your patronage, so wherever you are, we'll deliver to you all the material, all the Isese books that you want. Just let us know. As long as it's available, we'll get them across to you. So you can as well message me directly to make inquiry, to ask questions about all these items, or about maybe if you have another thing to discuss with us, we will listen to you. Thank you very much and get a better life.